Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. AdMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIEO level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. As you know students, in last lecture we finished chapter number 12, name is differentiation. Differentiation 1 has finished. We did all exercises from 12.1 to 12.10. This chapter, chapter number 14, differentiation 2, is the continuation of the derivative. So I skipped chapter number 13, name vectors, and after chapter 12 I am going to start chapter number 14 because this is directly connected to chapter number 12. But kindly don't make your mind that I will not do vectors. Definitely I will do vectors. Chapter number 13 I will do, chapter number 5 I will do, chapter number 10 permutation and combination. But after some time, let's start chapter number 14, differentiation 2. The first topic of this chapter is derivative of exponential function, that is the derivative e to the power x. The derivative of e to the power x is just the value, just ex. You can see dy dx of ex is ex. So it repeats, no change. The derivative of ex is just ex. But if we have other than x, like e power 2x, so the derivative of e power 2x is e power 2x, but we have to multiply by the derivative of e to the power, which is 2x is 2. Furthermore, when I'll do question number 1, 2, 3, 4, you will more understand about the definition of derivative of ex. Let's start exercise 14.1, question number 1. Question number 1, differentiate with respect to x. Part A, e 7x. What I told you, e power something is always same, means e power 7x is the derivative of e power 7x is e power 7x, but we have to multiply by the derivative of its function. The function is 7x, therefore the derivative of 7x is 7. So the answer is 7 e 7x. This is our final answer. Come to part B, e power 3x. E power 3x derivative is e power 3x multiplied by the derivative of 3x, that is 3. So 3 e power 3x is our final answer. Part C, 3 e power 5x. So 3 e power 5x derivative is 3 e power 5x multiplied by the derivative of 5x, which is 5. 5 3s are 15 e 3x. This is the final answer. Part D, 2 e minus 4x. The derivative is 2 e minus 4x into derivative of minus 4x, that is minus 4. Hence 4 to the 8 e minus 4x is our final answer. Move to part E, 6 e power minus x upon 2. The derivative is same, 6 e minus x upon 2 into the derivative of minus x upon 2, which is minus 1 upon 2. 2 3s are 6. Therefore the final answer is minus 3 e minus x upon 2. This is the final answer. Part F, e power 3x plus 1, derivative is e power 3x plus 1 into derivative of 3x plus 1, which is 3. So the answer is 3e power 3x plus 1. This is the final answer of part F. Move to part G. E x square plus 1, the derivative of e x square plus 1 into the derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x. Final answer is 2x e power x square plus 1. This is the answer of part G. Move to part H. Part H is 5x minus 3 e power root x. 5x derivative, you know, 5 minus 3 e power root x, derivative is e power root x into derivative of root x. The derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Simplify it. 5 minus 3e power root x upon 2 root x. This is the final answer. I part. 2 plus 1 upon e power 3x. 2 plus. First shift e power 3x to the numerator. Derivative of 2 is 0. E power 3 minus 3x is the derivative is e power minus 3x, and the derivative of minus 3 is minus 3. The answer is minus 3 e power minus 3x, or you can write minus 3 upon e power 3x. This is the answer of part I. Move to part J. Part J is 2 3 minus e power 2x. 2 derivative of 3 is 0 minus e power 2x, derivative is e power 2x into derivative of 2x, that is 2. So 2 2s are minus 4 e power 2x. This is the final answer of part J. Move to part K. Part K is e power x plus e power minus x upon 2. E power x derivative is same, e power x plus e power minus x is e power minus x, but minus x derivative is minus 1 upon 2. Hence e power x plus minus minus e power minus x upon 2 is the final answer of part K. Come to part L. 5 x square ex square. 5 x square derivative is 2x. Ex square is ex square into x square derivative is 2x. Hence 5 2s are 10 x plus 5 2s are 10 x e power x square. Take common 10x. 1 plus e power x square is the final answer. So hope you understand completely question number 1. What we have learned, e power derivative is e power and multiply by the derivative of its function, that is the derivative of power. This is very important point. Now move to question number 2. Question number 2, part A. X e power x. Now what we have learned in chapter number 12, that when two functions are multiplied, we have to use the product rule. That is u into v formula. U dot derivative of v plus v dot derivative of u. X is u, ex is v. So u time derivative of v, ex derivative of ex, and v time derivative of u, derivative of x is 1. So x ex plus ex. This is the final answer of part A. Part B. X square e power 2x. Again we have to use the formula of u into v. Here u is x square and v is e power 2x. So u time derivative of v, e2x derivative is 2x into derivative of 2x is 2 plus v time derivative of x square, that is 2x. 2x square e power 2x plus 2x e power 2x. This is the final answer of part B. Part C. 3x e minus x is equals to 3. Take common. X is u, e power minus x is v. So u time derivative of v minus x derivative is minus 1 plus v time derivative of x, derivative of x is 1. So 3 into minus 1 into x is minus 3x e power minus x plus 3 into e power minus x is 3e minus x. Students, for those who are new for this lecture, they cannot do this chapter number 14 without chapter number 12. I have uploaded the whole chapter 12. Kindly go to my playlist. Name is, you can see there is a folder. There is a folder name is add math. Watch previous lectures, then you will have good command on this topic. Otherwise you cannot do these questions in this way. Move to part D. Root x ex. Root x is u and ex is v. U time derivative of v plus v time derivative of u. Root x derivative is 1 upon 2 root x is equals to, now simplify it, root x ex plus ex upon 2 root x. This is our final answer of part D. Part E. Ex upon x. Here two functions are divided. So we have to use quotient rule, which we discuss in chapter number 12, exercise 12.3. What is quotient rule? U upon v formula, that is v square. The numerator is u, that is ex, the denominator is v, that is x. V square, v as it is, derivative of ex is ex, minus u as it is, derivative of x is 1. So x ex minus ex, x square is x square. This is our final answer of part E. Hope you understand completely. Come to part F. E power 2x upon root x. Again we have to use u upon v formula, that is v square root x square root x as it is. E power 2x derivative is e power 2x into 2 minus e power 2x into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. More simplification is required. Two root x e power 2x minus e power 2x upon 2 root x upon square and root cancel x. Now we have to take the LCM of 2 root x. Okay, 2 root x multiply by 2 root x, it is 2 to the 4, root x into root x is just x, so answer is 4x e power 2x, and 2 root x cancel by 2 root x, the answer is e power 2x, and this x, the last denominator x, should be multiplied by 2 root x. This is the theory of LCM. The last step is take common e power 2x, the remains is 4x minus 1 upon 2 root x into x, x power 1 and x power half is x power 3 upon 2. This is the final answer of part F. Move to part G. What is part G? Part G is e power x plus 1 upon e power x minus 1. Again we have to use u upon v formula. Here v is ex minus 1, so v square, v as it is, derivative of u, that is the derivative of ex plus 1 is ex minus u as it is, the derivative of v, ex minus 1 derivative is ex. Ex into ex is e2x, ex into 1 is ex, minus ex into ex is e2x, ex into 1 is minus ex upon ex minus 1 whole square. Simplify it, e minus 2x cancel by e minus 2x, minus ex is minus 2ex upon ex minus 1 का whole square, ex minus 1 whole square. This is the final answer of part G. Move to part H. Part H is x e2x minus e2x upon 2. We have to apply x e2x for u into v formula. U into v formula on x and e power 2x. So x is u, e power 2x is v. So x into derivative of e2x, that is e2x into derivative of 2x is 2 plus e2x into derivative of x is 1 minus e2x derivative is e2x into derivative of 2x, that is 2 upon 2. Now x 2x e2x plus e2x, 2 cancel by 2 minus e2x, e2x cancel by e2x, the final answer is 2x e power 2x. This is the final answer of part H. Move to part I. Part I is x square ex minus 5 upon e power x plus 1. Again we have to use u upon v formula. That is v square, v as it is, derivative of u. Kindly wait. Yes. For the derivative of x square ex, we have to use u into v formula. That is x square ex plus ex into 2x. So this is the complete derivative of x square ex. And the derivative of minus 5 is 0. So no need to write. Minus u as it is, derivative of v, that is derivative of ex plus 1. So ex. Okay. It's a time to simplify. First, look carefully. What should I do? Kindly wait. First multiply this bracket ex plus 1 by the whole bracket, that is ex into x square ex is x square e2x. Ex into ex is 2x e2x. 1 into x square is x square ex. 1 into this is 2x ex. Minus ex into this is minus x square e2x minus minus plus 5 ex upon ex plus 1 whole square. Now see carefully, x square e2x, x square e2x cancel. And now take e power x from the whole expression. Here remaining is 2x ex plus only x square plus 2x plus 5 upon ex plus 1 whole square. The last step is ex write in the form of answer in the book, x square plus write 2x e power x. This is not necessary step, but I am just showing in the form of answer in the book. Ex plus 1 whole square. This is the final answer of part I. And this is question number 2. We did all parts of question number 2. Move to question number 3. Question number 3 is find the equation of the tangent. We have done already chapter number 12. In chapter number 12, exercise Exercise 12.5 consists of equation of tangent and normal. So those students who are already watched that lecture, they doesn't have any problem, and I am suggesting again kindly, if you are new for this chapter and if you didn't attempt chapter number 12, please watch my previous lectures. Find the equation of tangent to part A. Y is equals to 5 upon e power 2x plus 3. So for equation of tangent, we have to find the derivative first. Dy by dx is equals to. How to find the derivative? Just apply u upon v formula. Apply u upon v formula. E power 2x plus 3 v square. V as it is, derivative of u, derivative of 5 is 0, minus 5 as it is, derivative of e power 2x plus 3, that is e power 2x into derivative of 2, is equals to 0 multiplied by something is 0, minus 10 e power 2x upon e power 2x plus 3 whole square. This is the derivative, and we call this derivative as a gradient. Now satisfy this derivative by the value of x, that is 0. So minus 10 e power 2 into x is 0 upon e power 2 into 0 plus 3 whole square minus 10 e power 2 into 0 e power 0 upon e power 2 0 is e power 2 0 0 plus 3 whole square minus 10 e power 0, you know something to the power 0 is 1. So what is only minus 10? E power 0 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 square is 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. The final answer is minus 5 upon 8. This is the gradient. What we need more? Actually, the formula of equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to mt time x minus x1. Mt is the gradient. Here mt is minus 5 upon 8. So we need x1 and y1. How to find x1 and y1? Very easy. The question is, y is equals to 5 upon e power 2x plus 3. X given is 0 in the question. 5 upon e power 0 plus 3. E power 2 into 0 is e power 0 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. So x1 y1 is, x1 is 0, y1 is 5 upon 4. Now it's a time to find the equation of tangent. Y minus y1, y1 is 5 upon 4 is equals to mt, mt that is the gradient minus 5 upon time x minus x1, x1 is 0. First we have to write y is equals to minus 5 upon 4, minus 5 upon 8 into x is minus 5 upon 8 x. Next is Take the LCM 4. 4 into y is 4y. 4 into 4 cancel by 4 is minus 5. And this minus 5 upon 8x remains same. 4 to the 8. Then 4y minus 5 is equals to minus 5x upon 2. Then this denominator 2 must be multiplied 4y minus 5. 2 into 4y is 8y. 2 5s are 10 is equals to minus 5x. Move this minus 5x on left hand side, it is 5x plus 8y, and shift this minus 10 on other side, it is plus 10. This is our final answer. This is the equation of tangent. Move to part B. What is part B? Y is equals to e power 2x plus 1 square root, and x given is ln 5. So first we have to find the value of y by putting ln is 5. So y is equals to e power 2, x is ln 5 plus 1 root. Students, we have already learned a lot in chapter number 6 that e and ln both cancel each other. E and ln is cancelled to each other. This two, kindly wait. This 2 must be after log, that is e ln 5 square plus 1 square root. Ln and e cancel. 5 square is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. So this is the value of y1. I am checking again, kindly wait. 2x, x is ln 5. Yes, this is 100% correct. Now take y again, e power 2x plus 1 root. Find the derivative, that is dy by dx. First find the derivative of root, that is 1 upon 2 e2x plus 1 root into e2x plus 1 derivative, that is 2x into 2x derivative, that is 2. 2 cancel by 2. The final answer is e2x upon e2x plus 1 root. Again put x where you put ln 5 where you see x, because x is ln 5. So dy by dx means mt, that is the gradient of tangent. e power 2x, x is ln 5, upon e power 2x ln 5 plus 1 root. Again e power, this 2 becomes the 5 square, and ln and e cancel, so 25, and e power 2x plus 1 root, we have already find 26 root. Okay, it's a time to find the equation of tangent. Y minus y1, y1 we have find 26 root is equals to mt. Mt we have find 25 upon 26 root x minus x1, that is ln 5. Okay, this root 26 must be multiplied by the whole y minus root 26, that is 26 root y. 26 root and 26 root is 26. 25 into x is 25x. 25 into ln 5 is 25 ln 5. Now, this answer is not matching the answer in the book. So, I am going to check all steps again in order to check any mistake. There is no mistake. E power 2x and dy by dx is 1 upon 2 e power 2x plus 1 into e power 2x, derivative is e power 2x into 2. 2 cancel by 2, e power 2x upon e power 2x plus 1. No mistake. So, the answer in the book is not matching. What should I do to make the answer in the book? But in exam, if you do this, you will get full marks, I assure you. But I always try to write the answer in the form in the book. So, what should be the correct working? I don't know how I make this answer. Answer in the book is 5x minus 6y plus 15 ln 5 is equals to 0. And I have 25 ln 5. Actually, the root is doing because 26 root is 5.09 something. So kindly wait. Roots 26 is 5.09. That is almost 5. So if I write, kindly wait, but I think just write the answer in this form, that is 25x minus 26 root y and is equals to minus 26 minus 25 ln 5. So this should be 25x and minus 25 ln 5 is plus 25 ln 5. This should be the last answer. Okay, because there is no way to do furthermore. So if anyone have the answer in the book, kindly let me share. I will highly appreciate you. Move to last part, part C. Part C is y is equals to x square 1 plus ex at x is equals to 1. अभी काम कर रहे हैं बाबा. First we have to find the value of y by putting s is equals to 1. 1 square 1 plus e power 1, that is 1 plus e power 1, and e power 1 remains e power 1. So x1 y1 is equals to 1 and 1 plus e power 1, or you can say 1 plus e. Now find the derivative. dy by dx is equals to u time derivative of v, that is 1 plus x, derivative is e power x, plus v time derivative of u, that is 2x. Satisfy x is equals to 1. 1 square e1 plus 1 plus e1 2 1. e1 into 1 is e1 plus 2 ones are 2, 1 plus e1, e1 2 ones are 2 plus 2 e1, 2 plus 3 e1. This is the answer of gradient of tangent. Hence the equation of tangent is y minus y1. What is y1? 1 plus e. Is equals to gradient of tangent 2 plus 3e into x minus x1. x1 is 1. Now simplify it. Y is equal y minus 1 plus e, 2 into x, 2x, 2 ones are minus 2, 3 into ex is 3e into x minus 3e. More simplification. Y is equals to 3ex plus 2x minus 2 minus 3e, and this 1 plus e shifted over there, it is 1 plus e. The final answer is y is equals to 3 ex plus 2x minus 2 minus 3e plus e is minus 2e minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. This is the final answer in the book. So hope you understand question number 3 completely. Sorry for part B. I stuck because I wanted to make the answer in the book. This is our today's class, where we finished question number 1 to 3 of exercise 14.1. What next? How many questions are left? Only 2 questions are left. That is question number 4 and question number 5. Definitely we will do both the questions in next lecture. And then we will be doing derivatives of logarithmic functions. So student, this is our today's class. So if you like my class, my videos, my lectures, kindly do subscribe my channel. Whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button, so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.